Hi, I'm Eli, and I want to show you how bionicles work. Okay. So in this game you have to go through swamps looking for stuff. So you can win each battle or get to a place first. So I'm gonna go in story level, which is the one that you have to do, and will be Krika. So I need to find keystones, which they help you win the games. Oops. And you're timed in these games. Ooh, armor. And this is armor. And I need to go up here. Okay. Ooh, there's the next keystone.
What's the next thing?
So you need to go around through the swamp looking for
What else is on this thing?
Look at it. Oh, show it. There's also little movies that they have, but those aren't, well, there's Legos. Oops. There's Lego Atlantis, and the point is to destroy a crab in this game. So you need to shoot it with missiles. So there's a crab. Okay. Okay, that's it. If you want to learn more about Legos, then just go to lego.com.